Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set hotspot password in Android phone, especially on Samsung phone. Let's get started. Open your settings app on your phone, and then you have to choose connections option. Alright, and after you choose connections option, you have to choose mobile hotspot and tethering. And click on mobile hotspot right here, and you have to click on configure. After you click on configure mobile hotspot, you have to click on security and choose VPA2. Alright, and you can enter the password right here. And after you enter the password, you can click on save. Okay guys, that's so easy, right? And that's how you can set hotspot password in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.